So today we're taking a look at Luminette privacy shears. Here's my Luminette fabric here, and something that doesn't happen very often. If I look at the Luminette fabric structure here, it's basically a piece of plastic sandwiched between the two layers of fabric here. Very durable stuff here. It doesn't happen often, but sometimes it does, that I tore or pulled out a section of the vane there that holds on to the carrier and the headrail. So what we're going to do is effect a repair on this carrier here, and there is a piece of plastic that's inside here. What we're going to do is come in through the top here and just slit the top of the vane. This is for, you know, pretty good installers to be able to shave this off here, and I'm just going up the center here. I don't want to slip and cut myself, or slip and, more importantly, cut the shade, but I'm just running that up through the top here, and I can see that fabric, that plastic inside there. So I can see that plastic inside there. What I've got now from Luminette is a repair kit here that is really that plastic feature with some tape on it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take the tape off of one side, peeling the tape off. This side's sticky. Good tape. Peeling tape off of one side here. I'm going to drop this in. I've got my plastic feature on the bottom side here. I'm just going to line this up here with the hole in the plastic feature and press it on. That's in place there. That's lined up where it's going to hang right. I'm going to go ahead and then remove the other side of the tape while it's in the fabric. There's that piece of tape there. And I've got another piece of tape up here in the front. Going to remove him as well. I don't want to bend up the vane too much. Let's try with my little screwdriver. Get a grip on that guy. Pull that tape out. Press it into place. I still have a little bit of the liner on there. I'll take him off so it's all nice and clear. And I've just fixed the carrier. Now I can attach that in. How did you do that, Rob? You want to see that again? Fine. We've got another vane broken here. I'm just going to come in through the top. And I'm just starting in between the two layers of fabric here. I don't want to do a bunch of crazy cutting. In between the two layers of fabric, along the back piece of the plastic. And up the vane. And again, I don't want to go anywhere near this face fabric or the front of this thing. So I just sliced it up the middle there. Taking my tab kit here. I'm going to peel the backing off of the bottom side. I'm going to put the plastic against the plastic first. Peel the backing off. Drop this guy into place, and I don't want to really press down on it until I have it where I kind of want it. See right there? Not where I want it. I'm going to have to pull it off. And it wants to grab. It's grabbing. So I'm going to slide it in. Got it right where I want it. Press it into place. Now that's held against the plastic feature. I'm going to go ahead and peel the other side off. Peel the backing off. Peel the front backing off. Peel the front backing off. Having trouble getting that backing off. There it goes. Press it into place. And I've just repaired, so I can snap it into the carrier, a vane on a Luminette privacy shear.